What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications, give this video a like. It's been a long minute since I uploaded. It's been about 3.5, 4 weeks. Last video I uploaded was a reaction video to Light Bright Cuts. Go check out his video. Leave that up here, a little link that y'all can click on. And go subscribe to him, show him some love. He just uploaded another one that I'm about to check out. But, you know, a lot's happened in the past few weeks. But I'll get into more detail about that. Also, I have an unboxing for y'all today from FORT WORTH Barber Supply. Go follow them as well at FORT WORTH Barber Supply on Instagram. They'll always take care of you. But let's get to this video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So like I was saying, a lot has happened in the past 2 weeks. I was out of work for 2.5 weeks. My wife and I happened to get COVID, both tested positive, and it was the worst thing that I have ever gone through in my life. I have to say, I got pneumonia, she got pneumonia, and you know, it's just been, you know, a crazy time off. You know, we got stir crazy here at the house. You know, it's tough not having income, a flow of income coming in. And but you know, the best thing, the positive thing about everything was all the love that the barber community, YouTube community showed me. So many people reached out, you know, checked on me. Cuts by Reggie, Light Bright Cuts, Sean Cuts Hair, you know, FORT WORTH Barber Supply. A lot of people, you know, just showed so much love, and I truly appreciate the community, the YouTube community, the Instagram community that follows the barber community in general, that does, you know, mess with me and rock with me. You know, everybody had nothing but, you know, positive influence and positive vibes, you know, checking on me and my wife, sending their prayers, their thoughts, and I just truly appreciate that from everybody that, you know, was there for us, and, you know, mentally or physically or even monetarily. You know, people really, you know, stuck their heads out and looked out for us. So I really appreciate that. And you know, the whole COVID thing, you know, I wish that on nobody. You know, I the day after I had tested positive, I had a client that was pulled off the respirator, and I lost a client, and that's a difficult thing to do, is lose anybody that's close to you, lose anybody in life, you know. And you know, that's a tough thing. You know, he was an every 2-week client. I've been cutting him for 2.5, 3 years. But you know, not everybody makes it, and that's the thing, is that, you know, we have to be grateful for, you know, the time that we do have on this earth, the life that we do have, and all the blessings that are before us. But I don't want to, you know, be too much of a downer, but I just truly appreciate everybody who reached out to me and you know, just sent their best for me and my wife and my kids and my family. But you know, we're back in here, we're back in this thing, we're back with YouTube videos. I should be coming out with a tutorial this week or next week, and but I just wanted to check in with the, you know, all my subscribers, people that follow me, and you know, just let you know that I'm here, I'm still alive, we still grinded it out. I've been in the shop a week now, and you know, it's difficult, you know, getting my stamina back up, getting my energy back. And I've had a book schedule this week, which is a blessing. A lot of my clients waited it out, and I'm super grateful for my loyal clients who stuck it out, waited like 3 weeks for a haircut. Shout out to y'all some real ones. And just shout out to everybody in the YouTube, everybody that's subscribed to the channel and that's been waiting on content. I apologize that I didn't finish out the Vlogmas series. You know, we were going strong, uploads every day. Had a good time recording what I did record, and the content that I was able to give to y'all. But we're gonna come back at it. 2022, new year, new goals, new things before us. We're about to hit 3K pretty soon, and at 3K I will be doing a giveaway. So we're sitting at like 2780 or 2785 right now. So that should be coming down the pipe here pretty soon. But like I said, I just wanted to check in with my subscribers, my supporters, and let you know that we're still going strong. But I did get a package from FORT WORTH Barber Supply, so we're gonna go ahead and open that up, and I'll let you guys see what I got. Shout out to FORT WORTH Barber Supply. I'll always shout them out because they take care of the barber community. And honestly, I ordered this 2 days ago, and it's already here. So that just shows you how dedicated, how punctual, and you know, how much they expedite their services. So you know, shout out to them. Go follow them on Instagram at FORT WORTH Barber Supply. They are located, as you know, in Fort Worth, Texas. So, but right here, I got a replacement for my rose gold, the rose gold shaver, and I have not replaced it. since I bought it. So I did finally get one of those because it's kind of doling out. Then I also got some Tune 45 Onyx Black no drip. Shout out to Tune 45. And look at this, like, you know, one of the biggest things I love about this company is I first bought the product when they were making shave gel in the kitchen, like Basio said, and it was in a bottle with the little sticker label that they put on themselves, and it was shipped in a manila envelope, you know, inside a Ziploc bag so it didn't leak. And they've come so far, you know, they have like the ingredients, they have the graphics on the box, they got like barcodes, you know, it's just crazy to see the growth of Tune 45, and I wish nothing but growth for all of us, all you subscribers, everybody who's barbering, whether you're new, old. You know, 2022, we're gonna grow. Everybody's gonna grow. Everybody in my shop's gonna grow. Everybody's just gonna press forward and do bigger and better things. And this is just a you know, a visualization of what can happen if you set your mind to something. And this is just that's dope. Barber Supply also threw in another sticker. We're gonna stick that somewhere. I love stickers, but shout out to them, man. Shout out to FORT WORTH BARBER SUPPLY. I cannot tell y'all how much I appreciate them as a barber supply company and just as people. The gentleman that runs it, him and his wife, nothing but good people. They always show love. They're always looking out, and they are some genuinely humble people. So, but that was what I got from FORT WORTH BARBER SUPPLY this go around. I am looking to order the Stylecraft Rebels, hopefully here in the next week and a half. And you know, I seen that the Low Pro FX, I think that's what it's called, the all black babbleless clipper, I see that's dropping at a expo somewhere. So they're coming in pretty soon, and I'll be able to get my hands on them, and I'll be able to give you guys a review and let you guys know what I think about that from my perspective, as well as the Stylecraft Rebels. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys had a great Christmas. Hope you guys had a great New Year's. I just hope that everybody's safe. And everybody, you know, just stays healthy this year. You know, this COVID stuff, and you know, I heard about a flu-rona today. It's a flu and coronavirus mixture. There's just so much going around that's crazy in the world. But everybody just stay healthy. Health is wealth. And you know, I just appreciate all of my subscribers for subscribing to the channel, for rocking with the content, for just you know, supporting the channel. You know, your support is what makes the channel go, what makes it grow, what, you know, what pushes it forward. So shout out to y'all. I hope you guys get something informational from it. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, and you're thinking about subscribing, go ahead and subscribe. I got nothing but barber content on this channel, vlogs, reviews, tutorials. Go check out some old videos, go like some of that, go show some love. That'll do it for this video. I got a tutorial for y'all coming up pretty soon. Stay tuned, stay locked in. 2022 is gonna be a good year for the channel, for the barber industry, for everything. Nothing but good things can come when you keep a positive attitude, and I'm just trying to stay positive and stay in that mind frame for this coming year. But other than that, I hope everybody has a good night or good morning or whenever you're watching this. But until next time, God bless.